Warga Patisi TV.
Yes, people like me exist. I am from Northeast India and I am from Meghalaya. The people who you call Chingchong China or Shengshong or whatever, we are very kind people. We will not laugh at you the way you laugh at us just because we don't look like you. Okay?
Menteri Ketenaga Sokar Pedeng, Ukiran Rijiju, Badairu Nakathan Shatay Lamingi, Nakajilla, Arunachal Pradesh, Flippin Pogajis Bitar, Yakajing Shakaran Ben, Bagajing Shakanong China, Kanong Meghalaya, Hadelhi. Rijiju Lakintu, Yakadiganong Meghalaya, Bakadivan Ujo Shakipulet, Juganon East Cell, Jaga Delhi Police Persha, Yakitaki Breu. Ulakinturu Bananisha Kamat, Ladadan Gibakran Ben Yakinong Shong Shnong, Kathan Jatay Lamingi, Kidiban Shondor Yakitaki Breu, Bakidiban Pentim, Shakipulet, Jaga North East Cell, Namar Bakasorka Kathau Kerpang Kanang, Yakadigatanat Pulet, Bakin Pej, Bakibruna North East, Kim Deben Shale at Tomet, Shakran Ben, but Shale Ben, Habakidon Hadelhi. Ka video holo gajingkran jonga dengan nong Meghalaya kelasa priang stat social media haga bakalaya thu ikijing syakran tokmet jongka Delhi bakataru kajia arsin haga jogasngi kani ga nong Meghalaya kalaong bagla janingkong hakamla nagar bat kuipat Delhi metro hakamla nagar kalaong bakidan gibri gibsyong haka arsyaka kipertaya kada kabaong chingchong bakirki ben artat berhading kata kelaja saha metro hak bakladan ki shinrang ki pertaya ka da kabaong Chingchong China mat kierki kalau ong bakani gajing nek jongki kalong kumakam de kanong India klapen pau gajing ngong pangnot hak bakale cheki wegiri ki brekim jukran ai Henry Harila jong kashakaran ben.
So I went to Kamlanagar for some work. I was walking and then there were a bunch of grown-up men, like around 3-4. They were sitting on their scooty and I was like passing by and then one man said, Shengshong. So as soon as I heard, I turned back and then I looked at him and then like all of them started to laugh. And then my brain couldn't process like what I just heard and then they were looking at me and laughing. But still like, I kept quiet and then I walked and then I went to the shop. There was one Tibetan shop called Laughing Wala. So I thought I'll just grab something and then pack it and I'll quickly take a cab and then come back home. But I did not feel like eating anything. I couldn't even think like, my brain was not able to process what's happening. I just booked a cab because I have to take a cab from Kamlanagar to metro station. And then from that metro station, I have to take a metro and come to my place. So after reaching there, I got inside the metro and I was still thinking about those people. I was regretting why didn't I say a word to them. I could have like, fought with them. I could have, but I am not that kind of a person who will be like screaming and shouting and fighting with people on the streets. So I just kept quiet and I came. But it's okay. I was just like, trying to calm myself down and the doors were still open. People were coming inside the metro. And then one guy passed right in front of me and he said, Chingchong China. Again, this is the second time it's happening to me in one day. And the other person looked at me and started laughing because he said Chingchong China to me. And I just stared at him and I didn't say a word. I have been to like different countries, but they never made me feel like I don't belong there. I am not welcome there. But today, in my own country, fellow Indians, they made me feel like I don't belong here. I was just controlling my tears. I was like, crying from inside. It breaks my heart. My only mistake is that I am born in India and I look like this and I don't look like the rest of the Indians. They make fun of me and they laugh at me just because I look like this. So I want to tell you that, yes, people like me exist. I am from Northeast India and I am from Meghalaya. The people who you call Chingchong China or Shengshong or whatever, we are very kind people. We will not laugh at you the way you laugh at us just because we don't look like you, okay? And please stop this discrimination. Whoever you are, I hope you're watching this video and please stop this bullshit, okay?
Pin real squad, ya kak tien la jong pin dam kam, ya kabakan kiyo kak tien kasi, kak tien la jong, I kan roy kan pa. Balay pi ong gate, habangi don la jong ka kentien kasi, kerdop lani palor, beli lani kang ya katuka palor ni juya ong. Saka weipan, kakten kasi kam juong ban ya kiw yaw up, hinrangi kiw yaw tip. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi da kapati CTV, nakabenta ka jingmantoy upat ba.